The story that we're going to read today is about a little girl, who wears a shirt that has a few colors in it. And those colors are arranged in a pattern. Now, can anyone guess? Maybe there's some clues here today in what I've put on for Storytime Live. What kind of pattern does this little girl like with those beautiful colors? Plaid. We're going to read a book about a little girl who loves wearing her plaid shirt. Her plaid shirt makes her feel so proud and happy and beautiful. So let's get into our story today, which is called Annie's Plaid Shirt, and it's by Stacy B. Davids. So let's find out what's so special about Annie's plaid shirt. Let's see. Pages. It's really neat. We can see a picture of Annie here, and she's holding her plaid shirt. Looks a little different than the one I'm wearing, a different plaid pattern. And it says that this book is for all those who wear what makes them happy. So, I will admit, I wore my plaid shirt today because it does make me very happy. So in solidarity, I wanted to wear my plaid shirt too. All right, Annie's plaid shirt. Annie loved her plaid shirt. You can see she's got it on. She's climbing a tree. She's hanging upside down from that tree, and she's hanging out with her cat. The cat is also climbing her tree with her. She loves her plaid shirt, and she's wearing it as she plays outside, climbing trees. She loved her plaid shirt. She went to school in her plaid shirt. So we can see Annie here. She's on a skateboard. That's awesome. And she's got her helmet on because she's being nice and safe. And she's at school. We can see a school bus up here. That's how we know she's at school. And we see all these other kids at school with her. And they're all wearing different colors and patterns and different kinds of outfits. I hope that they love what they're wearing as much as Annie loves what she's wearing. Let's see where else Annie wears her plaid shirt. Oh my goodness. She went to parties in her plaid shirt. You can see Annie is over here. She's wearing her plaid shirt. She's at a party. It looks like she was hitting a piñata, and candy is falling out all over the place. This is an awesome party. This is so great. There's a kid here wearing an orange and white striped shirt. And that kid is giving Annie a big high five. All the candy is falling. And on the other side, we can see more kids who are there. We've got a kid in a green shirt with a bow tie. I love that. I hope that kid loves wearing that shirt. And then there are other kids there. They're wearing other colors. Looks like these kids are all wearing dresses. And I bet Annie enjoys this. I can see that the tablecloth looks a lot like her shirt. It's also plaid, that party. All right. So we can see Annie here. She painted in her plaid shirt. Annie did everything in her plaid shirt. And we can see some paints here, some watercolors. And if we zoom in real close, you can see Annie and another kid. They're painting. What are they painting? Can you see? It looks like Annie is painting a picture of her family. It's upside down, but we can still see that's family, 3 people. And the other kid looks like they're drawing a dinosaur. That looks like a T-Rex. So they're painting and drawing. I want to think, and you can write in the comments section, do you have anything that you like wearing to do all that kind of stuff? Playing and going to school and going to parties and painting in? If you do, go ahead and write in the comments section what that piece of clothing is. Is it a shirt? Is it a dress? Is it a bow tie? What's your favorite thing? Think about it a little bit as we find out what more is going on here. So Annie is painting in her plaid shirt. But one day, Annie's mom said, let's go to the mall. Tomorrow is Uncle Benny's wedding. Your brother needs a new suit, and you need a nice dress. I'll be wearing my plaid shirt, said Annie. So that tells us maybe who this other kid who's drawing the T-Rex at the table, that might be her brother. So Annie's going to need a nice dress for this wedding. But she's saying, no, I'll wear my plaid shirt. And Mom says, oh no, it looks like an old tablecloth. Well, we did see a tablecloth at the party that looked a lot like her shirt. So that may be fair, but it's still her favorite shirt. It looks like an old tablecloth. You must wear a dress to the wedding. Absolutely not, said Annie. I'm wearing my plaid shirt. We'll see, said Mom. So Mom looks kind of stressed out here. Go ahead and write in the comments if you can see anything about Mom that tells you she might be kind of stressed out. I don't know. She looks, maybe a good vocab word, exasperated. She looks a little exasperated by the situation. And the brother is sitting at the table. He looks a little worried. But Annie over here, who's wearing her plaid shirt, Annie looks very confident. She says, I'm wearing my plaid shirt to that wedding. And Mom says, we'll see. All right. At the mall, Mom bought Albert. Albert is her brother. Mom bought Albert a new suit. Annie, she said, will you at least try on some dresses for me? Maybe you'll find one you like. Eek, replied Annie. Please, just one time. Okay, fine, Annie pouted. If I have to. So we can see we're at the mall. We can see Mom in the middle there, and Albert, he's got a bag from somewhere called Zoot Suits. So he's got his suit for the wedding. But then we can also see Annie. She's wearing her plaid shirt, but if I look at the way that her shoulders are hunched and the way her head is down and the way her face is scrunched up, Annie doesn't look very happy here. So let's find out what happens when we go into that dress store. And the dress store is called Frills. So maybe Annie doesn't want to go into that store. She likes her plaid shirt. All right. Annie tried on lots of dresses. And you can see Albert's helping her out. He's picked out 2 other dresses. There's some beautiful colors on those dresses, fun patterns, but Annie definitely doesn't look too happy. Mom is watching as Annie tries on lots of dresses. There's more over here. She tried on one of those dresses that Albert brought over, but even Albert thinks this one is not a winner. Annie just doesn't look very happy at all. And the other dress here, beautiful colors. It's a really pretty dress, but Annie doesn't look happy at all. So she's trying them on for Mom, but she doesn't really like any of them. She tried on all those dresses, but they all felt wrong. Please, Mom begged, just one more. Annie saw the hopeful look on her mom's face. She agreed to try on one more. It's perfect, said Mom. You look so beautiful. So Annie tried on one more dress for Mom, and Mom looks so happy to see her in that dress. And let's take a look. I see purple and white. It's got a belt and some embellishments, maybe some beads at the collar. It's very pretty, but Annie does not look happy. Let's see what happens. When they arrived home, Annie ran to her room and slammed the door. So we can see they got home from the mall. The cat is here at home. Albert's down at the bottom of the stairs. Mom is next to him, but Annie is running up to her room. And she definitely doesn't look very happy. This is probably a pretty frustrating day for her. She's in her room here. It says, she wished her mom understood her. Annie felt weird in dresses. She was happiest when she wore her plaid shirt. Why couldn't Mom see that? that's a really big idea, right? If we think about how nice it feels when someone understands us and sees the things that make us happy. And I want to think about a time, a good time, when you felt really understood by someone else. If you think of one, you can write that in the comments. That would be really nice to read. A time that we really felt understood by someone that we care about. Why can't Annie wear what she wants to wear? Asked Albert. I want Annie to be herself, but I'm worried about what other people will think, Mom said. Little girls always wear dresses to weddings. So we can see Albert sitting here at the table. The bag from the dress store Frills is right here. And Mom is sitting at the table talking to Albert. Mom looked so happy in the dress store, but here, I don't know, she looks kind of sad, right? We can see her eyebrows are kind of creased. She looks sad. She wants Annie to be herself, but she's worried about what other people will think. The next morning, they all rushed to get ready for the wedding. I don't know if you've ever been in a wedding. I've been in a couple of weddings, and that morning is so busy when everyone's trying to get ready. If you've ever been getting ready for a wedding, please let us know. Was it very busy? I bet it was. So they're all rushing to get ready. Annie frowned at the dress, and then she had an idea. So we can see the dress here. Annie doesn't really like this dress very much. She's dragging it down the hallway. She's talking to Albert. He's peeking out of a room here. There's some drawings here. I don't see that T-Rex that he drew before, but that might be his room. And she's got an idea. And Mom is over here getting ready for the wedding. So she's busy. She doesn't know what they're up to. But let's find out what Annie's idea was. Mom wondered what was taking the kids so long. She started to worry. I should have let Annie wear her plaid shirt, she thought, but it was too late. Come on, kids, she called. We have to leave now. Annie and Albert giggled and yelled, be right there. So, Mom is thinking I should have let her wear that dress. She's actually looking at that picture of family that Annie drew earlier. She looks like she's really kind of concentrating and thinking about that. But Annie and Albert are peeking around the corner. They are ready. They'll be right there. Let's find out what Annie's idea was. Oh my goodness, she looks fantastic. All right, well, said Annie, what do you think? It's perfect, said Mom. You look so beautiful. Of course, said Annie. I'm wearing my plaid shirt. And we can see Albert helped her out. Albert is wearing a white suit with a blue tie. That might be his favorite color, a color that makes him feel really good and proud. And then we can see Annie is wearing her plaid shirt with a bow tie, and she's wearing a white suit too, just like Albert. And what I really like about the end of this story is that Mom looks at her in this outfit that she wants to wear, and she says, you look beautiful. Now, all those dresses that Annie tried on in the store, those were beautiful dresses. And Annie might have looked nice in them. They might have fit her really well. They might have been perfect, but they weren't perfect for Annie. Now, here at the end of the story, when Mom looks at Annie and she's wearing her plaid shirt, her favorite, she's wearing colors and patterns and fabric that make her feel really good, then Mom is seeing she's beautiful. And that's something that we can keep thinking about the rest of Pride Month and kind of all year round, right? We can think about how do we wear what we want to wear. Maybe we can't do it all the time, but when we find something, whatever it is, and whether or not anyone else thinks it's the right thing for us to wear, sometimes we get to put on the things that make us feel beautiful or proud or strong or silly or any number of things. And that can make us feel more like ourselves. And I did wear my plaid shirt today. I encourage all of you, if you can, to find something that you like wearing that makes you feel beautiful or strong or all of those other wonderful qualities that really kind of make up that feeling of pride that we can feel sometimes. And I hope that you can put it on. I hope that you can wear that as much as you want, because that's really what being proud is about. It's finding ways to express how you feel on the inside, on the outside. And what's really beautiful about Pride Month is it's an opportunity for other people to see that in us and understand us. So just like Mom did, to understand Annie and her plaid shirt. So I hope that you can put on something that makes you feel really good today. I hope that you have a fantastic Friday and a great weekend ahead. Thank you so much for joining us for Storytime Live. Again, my name is Val, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.